Something people, big up on yourself, man. Don't know what's a new link there now. You understand, my people, giving thanks to life as usual. And right about now, people, we are going to talk about a thing. Because from the other day, people, I've been looking into so much things in life now. And now I just want to share this with people out there. So many people may are looking at the same thing in life or know, or them are going to realize when I do talk this, but it's reality. What I'm going to say now, people, our next generation coming up is in big problem. You understand? The younger generation coming up in serious trouble, serious problem. And that's why, to me, people, this world coming close to an end. You know why? Look at it now, people. Nowadays, when I see the youth them, right? Coming up. No more youth no want to do certain work again, you know. Meaning, no more youth no want to learn like a carpentry, go learn like a mason, go learn like a plumbing, like a electrician. You understand? But everybody is thinking about getting a higher grade job, and like them put them job there as a lower grade job. But in the end, those are big job. You understand? And if we don't find people coming up to do that, who are going to do it for the next generation that's coming? You understand what I say, people? You know what I mean? Nowadays, parents intend to tell them pick say, yo, go to school, go study for the lawyer and doctor, teacher, everybody else out there. You understand? And when everybody go study for that now, you know what I mean? They can't get no employment because in the end, there are so much people that do it already. You know what I mean? They are over full. But now, we don't have no carpenter, we don't have no mason, we don't have no plumber. So who going to do that job because nobody else no want to do it? Parents out there, listen what me I say. Dean, we don't stop put certain work out there as an underrated work. Every work out there, it's mean employment and it's doing something great. You know what I mean? So if you have your kids, you can send them go learn a trade too. Learn to be mason, learn to be plumber, learn to be electrician, learn to be carpenter, whatever they can be, woodworkman, anything they want be technical giant, because we need them. We need every one of them. You know what I mean? Me say, our generation going to be in big problem. You know what's the main factor everybody thinking about now, people? Is tourism. You know what I mean? So everybody, most like them, they want a job within the tourism organization. And if it be like that now, people, what going to happen? You understand? Me know say everybody want a nice job where they can earn tips and say tourists and this and that and that. Yes, but we need the others too. Every role play a big part. Just like him on the on garbage truck. Without the man on the garbage truck at work, right? All the place are going to full of garbage and stink, that's true. And be a rat and junkranium we have, don't it? So we need everybody. See? So at the end, people, we must stop. Give certain job, like we not check for certain job, and like we say, yo, a lower class job that day. You know what I mean? Every work count because they play a big part in the country and for society. And it's not joke thing, people, are reality. I'm looking to people and it's getting serious. Nowadays when I see nobody, no more young youth, and I do look up me, say, you see, I do look up carpentry. I be a big old man, me see I do it now. You see a man, they want me from me, I look up baby, say, and them see when I do it, and them when they dead and gone now, who I gonna do it for the generation we come? Honestly, people. See? You see right now, me I find myself go learn a trade, people. You understand? Me I find myself go learn a trade and not one to multiple, triple up to. You understand? Because me want play a part when the other generation gone and the other one come and then nobody. Me want be somebody at least me can help do something for them too. Not true. Just like how me could have find somebody to do it for my generation. Because everybody nowadays just like farming. Maybe a man of things that they fingernail and too clean and pretty enough. You go in there go dig 2 yamil. You understand? And go cut down 2 banana then so them clothes are go stain up. You get me? Come on. Come on. We must stop think like that. Broke from the mind and the mentality there. But certain job a low class job. No job is not low class job. Eh? No, it's more low. I want to hurt this if you tell a man about that job, the low class. You see? That's why, you know, people, I want to be me. I don't want to be nobody else. That's why growing up, me never have this mindset, yo, me want to be like Michael Jackson or me want to be like them big old star there because them rich. No, me not have them in my mentality. Me grew up and say, yo, if me say me want rich or me want money or me want things, I want to have my own business. That was my thinking growing up, coming as a youth. See? So now as a man now, people are up there in the society now. When we are looking to people, we need everybody. See? So everyone out there who are underrate people job, who are under, you know what I mean, give people downgraded and say them this and that, they are low class job, who no broke from the mind and the mentality there. Broke it way. Because if we keep on having that thinking there and keep on forcing the younger generation head, we are got in a trouble. And when I say trouble, I mean big trouble. So you don't know a thing of my people. This is New Link from New Link Production. And it's reality. You don't know New Link with people. You have to talk. Once something come in that brain, in that area, me I go share it with the people. I'm now back from talk. You get me? I say, so you don't know a thing of people. I mean, say, attack. And again, this is New Link from New Link Production. Blessings to everyone who subscribe, everyone who like, everyone who comment, everyone who share, everyone who support, and everyone who spread the work. And I say subscribe to New Link, follow New Link. And still people, I love you, respect you, 100K strong and still I go on. Blessings, peace, I'm out.